Recently, I assigned a new task to ChatGPT in which I wanted to create a daily themed desktop image in various topics. The first one I had it create was under the topic of sci-fi themed desktop image. And in my blog post, I invite folks to use it for their desktop image if they happen to like the creation. I also said, if you have a special request, just let me know, and I'll be happy to put that task that I created in ChatGPT to work and forward you that image that it winds up creating. I also realized that there are quite a few folks that may not know what to do with the image that I posted on my blog post, because not everybody knows what to do with an image and how do you make that your desktop image. So in this little video, let me show you just what to do. You'll notice this is my blog post. Here is the image that I've forwarded. Actually, let's go ahead and click on it and open that actual blog post that I created yesterday. There's the image, and as it states in the blog post, this is good for Windows 10 and 11. The image is 1920 by 1080, and if you got a special request, let me know. Okay, so here's the image. But if you want to use this for your desktop image, do a right click on that image and select Save Image As. This is the default that will come up, which is the image that I loaded into the blog post. You can at this point change this to anything you want, or you can just leave it, which is what I'll be doing. It's going to my Downloads folder, which is the default download. If you've changed it, it'll go somewhere else, so make sure you pay attention where you download this image. Select Save. It's now downloaded it. I'll open my Downloads folder, and there's that image that I just downloaded. Now I can just go ahead from here, do a right click on that image, and from the pull down menu that appears, you'll see one of the items you can select is Set as Desktop Background. That's what I'm going to do. Select it as the desktop background. Because everything else is open, you can't see what happened, but you see what the image is. Let me close all of these things down, and then we can take a look and see what my desktop now looks like. And as you can see, there's the image. Now, I'll be posting a new one every day. As I said, this particular one was created asking for a sci-fi theme. There'll be 10 different categories of themes, and ChatGPT has been told to pick a different theme each time. Once it goes through all 10 categories, it'll start over again and create a fresh one in that category. But now you know how to make an image your desktop background. Just do a right click on the image and select Set as Desktop Background. Well, why don't we do it here? Because I've had one request. Somebody wanted to have skydiving over the moon. So there's the image. Do a right click on it. Select Set as Desktop Background. And there's that image. One more time, just for good luck, because I prefer this one. Right click. Set as Desktop Background. And we're back to having this one. That's how easy it is. If you're interested in any of the images that you'll find posted on my blog post, and I'll put the address for the blog post in the notes, enjoy them. If you have a special request, let me know. Stay safe, stay secure, hit that subscribe button, and please stay curious, my friends.